Hello viewers and subscribers. Welcome all of you in Alka's Botany channel. Today we are going to learn soya bean, which is an important leguminous plant in our daily diet. I am Dr. Alka Inamdar in Alka's Botany channel. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Now we first learn that what are the legumes. Legumes or pulses are the most important dietary protein foods. The carbohydrates and fats are also present in the legume seeds. This high protein amount is connected with presence of root nodules that contain nitrogen fixing bacteria, that is a rhizobium. Due to high protein content, the legumes are next to cereals as a source of human food. All the legume crops belong to family Fabaceae. Main family is the Leguminosae and subfamily is the Papilionaceae, or it is also known as the Fabaceae. This family is characterized by legume pod type of root which opens along two sutures. The legume seeds are not only rich sources of proteins but are also rich in minerals and vitamin B. They are used as a green manure due to root nodules containing nitrogen fixing bacteria, that is rhizobium. The legumes, sometimes termed grain legumes, are second only to cereals as a source of human food. They provide much needed proteins to vegetarians. Legumes are good sources of amino acids, that is lysine, tryptophan and threonine. But they are low in sulfur containing amino acids, that is methionine, cysteine and cysteine. Legumes are consumed as a whole or dehusked splits. We call them as a dal, sprouted grains, salted and in other forms also. Now we learn the botanical name of soya bean is Glycine max, family Leguminosae, which is a main family, subfamily Fabaceae, common English name is Piper soyabean, soya or soja also. And sources are seeds which are nutritious and we are using that in daily diet. Now we come up to the original distribution of soybean. It is a native of Southeastern Asia and in that region appears to have originated from wild, slender, prostrate twinning plant, that is a Glycine eucerens. According to some, Manchuria is the center of diversity and three species of soybean, that is a Glycine soja, Glycine gracilis and Glycine hispida, which are recognized in that region. The transformation from wild to cultivated forms have been accompanied by qualitative and quantitative changes due to the gene mutation. There are two distinct morphological varieties used for the cultivation. These varieties are the northern erect variety with rounded and light yellow colored seeds, and second one, the tropical trailing or sub-erect or semi-trailing variety with flattened dark chocolate or blackish colored seeds. It is generally grown as a kharif crop. Soybean is cultivated in North India, particularly in the hills of Assam, West Bengal and Manipur. It is also cultivated in other states also like Kashmir, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka also. This is a nutritive value of dry soybean per 100 grams, in which protein source is 36%, fats are present 1.5%, oil is near about 19%, carbohydrates are near about 18%, dietary fiber is 17%, and minerals which are present just by 5%. Now we Learn morphology of the plant body. Plant body shows erect, creeping or twining and habitat. It is an annual herb about 1.8 meters in height. Stem is pubescent. Leaves are very large, alternate, trifoliate, long as well as long petiolate. Flowers, which are very small in axillary racemes, white or purple to reddish purple. Fruits are very small pods, pods long in clusters of 2 to 5, densely hairy containing 2 to 4 seeds in each pod. Seeds are small with long hilum, compressed, yellow, chocolate or black colored also. Edible oil is extracted from those seeds. Now we come up to the last point of soybean, that is the economic importance of soybean. The seeds are consumed green, that is a fresh, dried seeds also, sporute, whole or in split form, that is in dal also. Green seeds are used as vegetables. The roasted and salted seeds are used in the cakes and candies. Seeds are ground to flour and used for bakery products. They are also processed to give soybean milk, soybean curd, and soybean cheese also. Vegetable oil extracted from soybean seeds is used for edible and industrial purposes. Soybean is cultivated as a forage or fodder crop and used either as a green fodder or as a hay or as a silage. Soya flour is used with cereal flours to increase the nutritive value to make preparations more tasty and digestible. It is also used in making bread, biscuits, cakes and other bakery products also. Sprouted seeds of the soybean are used as a vegetable with high nutritive value. Soybean oil with low iodine number is used for the cooking purpose, while oil with high iodine number is used in paints and varnish industry. Soybean meal or cake left after extraction of oil is mainly used as a feed for cattle and poultry. Sometimes it is used as a fertilizer also. Soybean meal is used in the manufacture of plywood glue, adhesive, water paints, insulating and wallboard coatings, insecticidal sprays and firefighting compounds also. A synthetic fiber obtained from the soybean protein is used in textile industries for blending rayon and cotton fibers also. All these are economic importance of soybean. Thank you. Thank you very much.